Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to build a modern SaaS website using WordPress in 2025, even if you are a complete beginner. For that, first of all, you need to come in your WordPress dashboard. The first thing that you need to do here is to simply install a theme. So go to appearance and click on the option of themes. You can also click on the designs option, and here you will see a bunch of different editing options. Now from the themes given here, you need to download any fast and modern theme like Astra or Bloxy theme. After downloading and installing it, you need to simply just activate it by clicking on the activate option right next to it. Once you have downloaded the theme, the second thing that you need to do is to simply create some pages. For that, go to the pages option and click on the option of add page. Over here, you need to create some core pages like home, features, pricing, and contact. So there will be 4 pages that you need to add, and you can also just take a look at these by clicking on the all pages option. Now, in the third step, you need to install a website builder. For that, we use Elementor. So go to the plugins section and here click on the option of add plugin. Now use the search bar and search for Elementor. This is the plugin that you need to download and activate, and you need to set it up with the help of your email address. Now you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on the home page of Elementor. Over here, with the help of Elementor, you can basically edit each of the pages with Elementor's drag and drop builder. You can add a hero section, feature blocks, pricing tables, and clients testimonials. You can use the fonts and the sharp icons in order to give your website a SaaS-like experience. Now, in order to add the sign up forms and the payment integration, you need to again download and install a plugin. So this plugin can be WP Forms or Fluent Forms, whichever you like. You can just simply just search for here. Now click on the install now button right next to it and activate it successfully. For the payments, you can add WooCommerce or Stripe options here. This will help your users to subscribe or pay for your services. If your SaaS has a dashboard or the private tools, you can also use the plugins like MemberPress, or you can also use Restrict Content Pro. So these two actually lets you hide the premium features behind a paywall. Now you can also just go to the settings of your WordPress device and see the visibility of your WordPress website on phone and desktop. You can also add rank math SEO in order to optimize it for the search engines. So this is how, by using all of these methods, you will be able to build a full SaaS website using WordPress in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.